Good morning, folks. Reporting live from the Mountain State here in West Virginia. Today we're headed towards Canaan Valley Ski Resort, located in Davis, West Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Vertical there, 825. 46 total trails, and 34 of 46 are going to be open today. So we're going to check out some of their runs, named like Dark Side of the Moon, for instance. That's almost never open. So instead of going to Timberline this AM, I saw that the trail report that you know, some of those trails are going to be open there at Canaan. Looking forward to getting on the hill today there in Canaan, and let's get ripping. Welcome to Canaan Valley, folks. We finally got the ungroomed. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Canaan Valley Ski Resort here in Davis, West Virginia. What a day it was out there skiing. Shout out to the Gallipolis River Rats for inviting me out and having a great time. Tommy and Kyle and everybody else. It's a pleasure meeting you guys. Overall, I'm going to end up giving this place a bump up score. It was a 3.5, right? And I'm going to have to give it a 3.7. So welcome to the club, Canaan Valley. 3.7, pretty high and respectable score. Looking forward to getting to my next hill. It might hit Shawnee, might hit Camelback, might hit Mountain Creek, New Jersey. So you never know where we're going to end up. But looking forward to getting out there on the hill next week, and I'll see y'all next time.